Hello everyone, welcome to Startup Success Simplified, the podcast where we break down big ideas to help you grow, adapt, and thrive in the world of entrepreneurship. I'm your host, Haiswini Selvarathnam, and today's topic is a game changer for startups, which is how data driven decision making enables agility and success. Now, let's keep it simple. We all explore why data is a startup's best friend, how it helps you move quickly, make smart choices, and stay ahead of the game. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and let's dive in. Let's move to segment 1. What does data driven decision making even mean? Simply put, it's about using facts, numbers, and patterns, not just gut feelings, to make smart, informed choices for your business. Whether you are deciding which product features to focus on, figuring out what your customers really want, or deciding where to spend your marketing budget, data gives you clarity. Yes, why this is so important for startups. Unlike big corporations, startups don't have endless resources, whether it's time, money, or people. That means you can't afford to guess. You need to move fast and move right. Data helps you to figure out what's working and what isn't, spot opportunities you might have missed, and know exactly what changes to make so you can keep growing. The result, your startup becomes agile, ready to adapt quickly to whatever challenges or opportunities come your way. Let's see segment 2. So, how exactly does data make startups more agile? Let's break it down into 4. The first one is fast feedback loops. Imagine you launch a new product feature but you are not sure if people love it or not. Instead of guessing, you look at real numbers like user engagement, reviews, or sales data. This gives you quick feedback so you can make adjustments fast without wasting precious time or money. The second one is spotting trends early. Data helps you see patterns before they become trends. For example, maybe most of your customers are shopping online instead of in store. That tells you to double down on improving the online experience. Spotting these shifts early keeps you ahead of the curve. The third one is minimizing risk. Using data to test your ideas through surveys, A/B testing, or even sales metrics help you avoid costly mistakes. Instead of going all in on a hunch, you have got hard evidence to back up your decisions. Number 4. Quick pivoting. Agility means being able to change course quickly when something isn't working. Data shows you where to pivot. If one product isn't selling but another is taking off, data helps you shift focus and resources where they will make the biggest impact. In short, data helps you act fast, act smart, and act with confidence. Now, segment 3. Real life example of data driven agility. Ever heard of Instagram? Here's something you might not know. Instagram didn't start out as the photo sharing app we know today. It was part of a larger app called Bourbon. The founders noticed, and thanks to user data, that people love the photo sharing feature the most. So, instead of sticking to their original idea, they pivoted. They focused solely on photo sharing, and that's how Instagram was born. The takeaway, data showed them where the real value was. By paying attention to the numbers and acting quickly, they created one of the most successful apps in history. Let's move to segment 4. At this point, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually start using data? Here are 3 simple steps to get you going. The first step is start small. You don't need fancy tools or a big budget to get started. Use what you already have, like website analytics, sales reports, or customer surveys. Even small insights can lead to big improvements. The second step is focus on key metrics. Don't get overwhelmed. Focus on the numbers that matters most to your business. For example, if you run an online store, track conversion rates. If you are building a product, pay attention to user engagement and customer feedback. The third step is test and learn. Always experiment, try out different marketing strategies, product features, or pricing models. Use the data to figure out what works and then adjust. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Over time, these small steps will help you make better decisions faster. Let's see segment 5. Of course, using data isn't always easy. Startups face a few challenges. Let's talk about them and how to solve them. The first challenge is not enough expertise. Sometimes startups don't have team members who understand data analytics. The solution is invest in training your team through online courses or hire freelance experts to get started. The second challenge is limited budget. High-end data tools can be expensive. The solution is start with free tools like Google Analytics or affordable open source platform. The third challenge is data privacy and security. Handling customer data means being responsible for keeping it safe. The solution is make sure you follow regulations like GDPR and use strong security tools to protect data. By tackling these challenges early, startups can make the most of data without breaking the bank. Now, we are at the last segment, which is segment 6. So, why is data such a big deal for startups? Let's break it down into 4. The first one is smarter decisions. With data, you are working with facts instead of making wild guesses. The second one is quick changes. Real-time insights let you adjust fast when things aren't going as planned. The third one is happier customers. Understanding your customers better means you can deliver exactly what they want. The fourth one is efficient use of resources. Data helps you focus your time, money, and energy on what really matters. In short, using data isn't just about keeping your business afloat. It's about growing, thriving, and staying ahead of the competition. Alright, let's wrap this up with the key points. The first one is data-driven decisions help startups move quickly and minimize risk. The second one is data creates agility by delivering fast feedback, spotting trends, and guiding smart pivots. And the third one is you don't need to be a data expert to start. Focus on small, actionable insights. In today's fast-paced world, startups that use data to adapt and innovate are the ones that succeed. Remember, agility is your secret weapon, and data is the tool that sharpens it. Thank you for tuning into Startup Success Simplified. If you found this episode helpful, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to help you grow smarter and faster. Until next time, stay agile, stay data driven, and keep building your dreams.